Hey guys, welcome back to Beardchanics Garage. Today we are doing a quick episode on the Volkswagen Touran Mark 1 and we are going to be replacing the cabin filter. The car is really old and was really messy, so I bet you that filter is pretty dirty. Anyway, let's get right into it. Okay, so the filter is on the passenger side, both for right-hand drive and left-hand drive car. Get some light. So the first thing you want to do is basically we want to remove this thing here. Just simply pull gently on it. And there we go, it comes off. The next thing you want to do is basically remove this trim. Again, just yank away. There we go. Oh, now as you can see, this is basically where the carbon, the filter is located. And the way it works is, you just slide it away. And this one is probably going to be a dusty one, guys. Oh, jeez. The state of that, just to show you. And we've got a new one. This is what they're supposed to look like, and this is what the one in the car look like. Okay, so let's put a new one in. So as you can see, it's not perfectly square. This bit goes to this side, so put it in the slot, it comes back up. As you can see, that's the part we've put in. So those slots here actually fit into the slot here. So basically we bring it up and we slide this way. Put it in the grooves. Now we put our side bag and just there you go. All good. Now just need to put this little guy back on. And there you go, guys, we're all done. As you've seen, a very quick change to do. No need to go to the garage for that, just order one online. If you want one for this car, I've put a link in the description to this filter. And as you've seen the state of this filter, yours shouldn't be as bad. But yeah, it's going to make a massive difference in the air quality inside this Touran. Anyway, guys, make sure you check the channel. There might be plenty of other videos you enjoy there. Subscribe if you want to. If not, see you in the next time and have a good one. Bye bye!